Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am Dr. Ridhiv Dev Chaudhary and I am so excited to talk to you about something revolutionary in the world of artificial intelligence, that is Google Gemini. In our previous video, we explored ChatGPT, its applications and how to work with it. If you missed that, make sure to check it out. Today, we are taking a step further to dive into Google Gemini, which brings incredible advancements to the AI landscape. Let's get started. So, what is Google Gemini? In this tutorial, we will cover the following. What is Google Gemini? Gain a clear understanding of this concept. How does it work? You will learn the mechanisms behind it. Key features of Gemini. Explore its standout capabilities. History and evolution. Trace its development over time. Real-world applications. Discover how Gemini can be used effectively. Practical use cases. Dive into examples of its implementation. Ethical considerations and challenges. Understand the issues and dilemmas surrounding it. So, what exactly is Google Gemini? Google Gemini is Google's next generation artificial intelligence model. It's what we call a multimodal AI, meaning it can process and integrate multiple types of inputs like text, images, videos, and even audio simultaneously. For example, if you upload a picture of a plant and ask, "What is this plant and how do I care for it?" Gemini will analyze the image, identify the plant, and give you care instructions. This ability to combine visual recognition, natural language processing, and real-time insights makes Google extremely powerful and versatile. It's also capable of generating creative content. Whether you need help drafting a professional email, summarizing a lengthy report, or brainstorming ideas for a project, Gemini can assist with ease. Let us talk about how Gemini works in simple terms. It's powered by advanced machine learning and neural networks technologies that learn from vast amounts of data to generate intelligent responses. Here is a breakdown. Data training. Gemini is trained on a massive dataset which includes text, images, audio, and videos. This training allows it to identify patterns and relationships across different types of inputs. Next one is understanding inputs. When you provide an input, for example, asking a question or uploading an image, Gemini analyzes the content using its neural networks. It identifies the context, extracts key details, and processes the information. Next, multimodal processing. One of Gemini's most impressive features is its ability to combine inputs from different modalities. For instance, you can upload an image of a graph and ask questions about it. Gemini will analyze both the visual data entry, your text query to provide a precise answer. Next, real-time response. Gemini provides answers and solutions in real time, which makes it ideal for tasks like analyzing data, drafting documents, or solving complex problems quickly. Next, adaptability. It learns from interactions and adapts to user needs, delivering a highly personalized experience. Now, let us explore some of Gemini's standout features. First one is multimodal capabilities. Gemini processes text, images, audio, and video seamlessly, making it versatile for various applications. Next, real-time problem solving. It offers instant solutions to tasks from drafting documents to analyzing complex datasets. Third one is context awareness. Gemini remembers previous inputs and provides consistent answers, making conversations and workflows smoother. Fourth one is creative content generation. It can draft professional emails, create engaging stories, or even generate catchy marketing taglines. Fifth one is collaboration with Google tools. Gemini integrates effortlessly with Google Workspace tools like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, boosting productivity. Language proficiency. It supports multiple languages, making it accessible for users around the globe. Accessibility and simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to use Gemini. Its intuitive design ensures everyone can benefit from its capabilities. Now, let us take a look at how Gemini has evolved over time. In 2023, Google announced Gemini, introducing its groundbreaking multimodal capabilities. In the same year, Gemini was integrated into Bard, enhancing AI chatbots' performance. In 2024, advanced features like creative text generation, coding assistance, and real-time analytics were added. Again, in 2024, Google implemented ethical measures to address concerns like data privacy and bias. Ongoing, Gemini continues to evolve with regular updates, making it smarter and more efficient. Let us explore how Gemini is used across different industries. Number one, education. Teachers and students use Gemini to create study materials, generate summaries, and solve complex problems. Number two, healthcare. Doctors can analyze medical images and get assistance with diagnostics and treatment planning. Third one is business. It helps with report generation, trend analysis, and even crafting marketing strategies. Fourth one is creative fields. Artists, writers, and designers use Gemini for brainstorming, storytelling, and visual content creation. Fifth one is daily life. From planning trips to suggestive recipes, Gemini simplifies everyday tasks. Sixth one is customer support. Companies use Gemini to automate responses and enhance customer service experiences. Let us discuss how Gemini can make your life easier in various fields. From education to healthcare, business, and even daily life, Gemini is here to help you in countless ways. Let us explain few such applications. Let us start with education. Imagine you have a textbook page you want to summarize. Simply upload a scan page and Gemini will transform it into key points, making your revision faster and easier. In healthcare, Gemini's capabilities are incredible. Upload an X-ray or MRI scan and Gemini can provide insights into potential issues like identifying fractures or abnormalities. Gemini is also here to assist in your daily life. Have ingredients in your fridge, upload a picture, and Gemini will suggest recipes you can make. For example, you can upload a photo of your fridge and ask, what can I cook with the ingredients I have in my fridge? Let us first discuss how to access Gemini. So, open the web browser and type Gemini. This screen will be displayed. So, this is the link to access the Gemini. I will click here and this is the home page of Gemini. Gemini supercharges your creativity and productivity, chat to start writing, planning, learning, and more with Google AI. So simply click the sign in button. If you have a Gmail account, you can use that Gmail account to access Gemini. If you don't have any Gmail account, you have to first create it, then you have to sign in with that Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account. For example, I will simply click here, then I will put my password. I will click the next button, and this is the working space of Gemini. You have to type instruction here to retrieve information to work with Gemini. So in this way, you can access Gemini. Let us demonstrate how content can be summarized using Gemini with an example. Suppose these are some contents in a Word document. I will summarize the content. So for that purpose, I will simply copy the content. Here I will paste it. Then by pressing the shift key and the enter key, I will create one line space, and I will type here summarize the above content in a paragraph 300 words. Summarize the above content in a paragraph of 300 words. So let us see how Gemini will work. So the response is certainly. Here is a summary of the provided content in a paragraph of 300 words. So the content is summarized up to this. In this way, you can summarize the content from a document or a web page. Let us explore how content can be retrieved using Gemini. We will understand this process with a simple example. Suppose you want to know about Kaziranga National Park, which is located in Assam. You would start by typing your request as explain about Kaziranga National Park. Once you do that, Gemini will retrieve the relevant information and display it. Now, imagine you need more detailed content. You can give a follow-up instruction by typing elaborate more. In response, Gemini will generate additional details to expand the original content. Let us take it a step further. Suppose you want a personalized travel plan to Kaziranga. You can modify your instruction and ask something like suggest a 3-day tour schedule and recommend accommodations as well. Gemini will understand the context of your previous queries and generate a more comprehensive and response accordingly. As we progress through this course, we will dive deeper into content creation using generative AI tools like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, or Copilot. These tools can help us retrieve, refine, and personalize information more efficiently. Let us demonstrate how Gemini can analyze image content. To do this, you need to attach an image in Gemini and provide specific instructions. Let us take an example. I have an image stored on my desktop which I will attach. Then I will ask Gemini to explain the image. For instance, if the image is of an SUV car, I will attach it and type explain the image. Gemini will analyze the image and provide a detailed explanation like this. The image shows a sleek silver grey SUV parked on a rocky beach with the ocean waves crashing in the background. The sky is a bright blue with some wispy clouds. The car has a modern design with smooth lines and large windows. It looks like a high-end luxury vehicle. In this way, you can experiment with different images and see how Gemini analyzes them. Now let us quickly explore how to generate questions using Gemini. We will demonstrate this with examples. First, let us generate 10 multiple choice questions on the topic of artificial intelligence. To do this, type generate 10 MCQs on the topic artificial intelligence. Gemini will process the request and generate 10 MCQs like this. Here it is providing the answer key also. So if you need any modifications, you can edit the instruction here by clicking the edit text button. Here you can put suppose 20 MCQs instead of 1. So instead of 10 actually, I will update the request, the instruction, and then it will regenerate 20 MCQs. Here the answer keys are missing. Then you can put with answers. It will regenerate the questions again. So here it is marking the correct answer as a bold one. So here Gemini will understand the context and generate the questions along with the answers. Now let us take another example. Suppose we want to generate 10 short type questions with answers on the topic of Indian cinema. To do this, type generate 10 short questions on the topic Indian cinema. Gemini will then generate the questions and answers as requested like this. Here answers are not coming as the instruction is given as generate 10 short type questions on the topic Indian cinema. So if I type here need the answers also, then this will be the output. Here answers are mentioned. So in this way, you can try generating questions on various topics and customize the outputs as per your requirements. Let us now explore how Gemini can retrieve information from YouTube videos. Suppose you are short on time and need a quick summary of a video uploaded on YouTube. Gemini, being a product of Google, can perform this task efficiently. Let us demonstrate with an example. Imagine You are watching a tutorial video from the MOOC titled Generative AI for Everyday Life. To retrieve a summary of this video using Gemini, follow these steps. Click the share button on the video and copy the link or URL. Open Gemini and type @YouTube and paste the URL. Press Shift plus Enter to create a new line. Then type generate a summary of the above video. Click submit button. Gemini will analyze the video and generate a summary like this. If you need more details about the video, type explain more. Gemini will provide additional information about the video like this. This feature is incredibly useful. Now, try it yourself with other videos and see how effectively Gemini retrieves and summarizes information. Let us now explore how Gemini can work with YouTube Music. So, let us demonstrate with some examples. Type @ here and you will see these are the services of Google. It will be shown here. So these are the enabled services: Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, YouTube, YouTube Music. And these are disabled services in my computer: Google Calendar, Google Keep, Google Task, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive. So let us experiment with YouTube Music. Then I will type suggest some songs of Lata Mangeshkar. Then I will click the submit button. Gemini will analyze and it will suggest that sure, here is what I found on YouTube Music. Songs of Lata Mangeshkar. So this is the output. If you need more songs of Lata Mangeshkar, type more and click this submit button again. And this is the output. Sure, here is more Lata Mangeshkar on YouTube Music. So if I click suppose this link, then it will be displayed in YouTube Music.
प्रीलोडेड गानों वाला कीपैड फोन धमाकेदार साउंड के साथ कारवा मोबाइल
See this channel. Then again the song will be displayed in YouTube Music in the web browser in a different tab. Let us type songs of Kishore Kumar. Then it will suggest or it will show some songs of Kishore Kumar on YouTube Music. So if I suppose click this option, then that particular song will be
सुर में
displayed
गाना
in
सीखिए पाधानीसा ऐप के साथ AI
YouTube
powered
Music.
पर्सनल म्यूजिक टीचर फ्रॉम सारेगामा.
In this way, you can use these services of Google Gemini. You can experiment with some other songs as per your will. Let us now explore the Google Hotel services using Gemini. Again, for this, we will type @ then the services offered by Google will be displayed. So here I will click Google Hotels. Then, for example, I will type suggest few hotels in Kaziranga National Park. Then I will click the submit button. So here I have given the instruction to find out few hotels in Kaziranga National Park, and Gemini will analyze, and it is suggesting here are some hotels in Kaziranga National Park. So these are some links and some informations are also provided by Gemini. If I click here more and press the submit key, it will again suggest some hotels with some images and information. So if I click, for example, this link, it will be displayed in a separate tab. And you can check the facilities offered by this particular hotel located in Kaziranga National Park. In a similar way, you can click the other links also. Suppose now, since the hotel services, Google Hotel Services is already activated, I will type suggest some hotels in, suppose, Guwahati. I will click the submit button. Google Hotels. Here are some hotels in Guwahati. The link with some information with some images also. In this way, you can use the Google Hotel Services with the integration of Gemini. So, explore with some more examples. It's a very interesting services integrated and used by Gemini. Let us now explore how Gemini can work with Google Maps. Let us demonstrate with a simple example. Suppose we want to see the map of Kaziranga National Park. So here I will type @ then I will click Google Maps option and I will type find out the map of Kaziranga National Park. I will click the submit button. Gemini will show some information like this. Here are two locations of Kaziranga National Park on Google Maps. This is a link. This is the Google Map. This is another link. This is a Google Map. If I click this option, the map will be displayed in another tab. So this is the map of Kaziranga National Park. In the left side, you will see some relevant information, and in the right side, you will see the Google map of Kaziranga National Park. Suppose, let us consider another example. Find out the map of Guwahati. For example, click the submit button. Gemini will retrieve the Google map of Guwahati. So this is Guwahati. So in this way, you can use the Google Map services along with Gemini. As you can see, Gemini is a powerful assistant that can help in so many aspects of life. Whether you are in education, healthcare, business, or just planning your next meal, Gemini makes tasks simpler and more efficient. So, why wait? Start using Gemini today and let it handle to hard work for you. While Gemini is revolutionary, it's important to address some challenges. First one is data privacy. Ensuring that users' data remains secure and confidential. Second one is AI bias. Reducing biases in AI response to make it fair for all users. Third one is transparency. Users should understand how AI process their inputs and generate outputs. Fourth one is sustainability. Minimizing the environmental impact of large-scale AI models by optimizing energy use. Fifth one is responsible uses. Educating users on how to use AI ethically and effectively. Let us summarize what we have covered today. Google Gemini is a multimodal AI system that processes text, images, audio, and video. It works by combining neural networks and fast datasets to generate intelligent responses. Key features include real-time problem solving, context awareness, and creative content generation. Gemini has applications in education, healthcare, business, creativity, and daily life. There are ethical considerations like data privacy, bias, and sustainability and critical to its responsible use. Google continues to improve Gemini, making it smarter and more efficient over time. That's it for today's video on Google Gemini. I hope you found this session both informative and inspiring. AI like Gemini is reshaping the future and the possibilities are truly endless. Thank you for joining me and I will see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay inspired and keep exploring the exciting world of AI. Goodbye for now.